We know. I normally do consults with chillers because that's what they think is better.
Right.
It takes an hour to do this. Let's see, like I'm just getting stuck to it.
Okay, Chris, why don't you explain what's going on here?
We got our little makeshift chiller setup going on.
Researching and developing here some less expensive ways to get the cold inside down into the cooling coil, which goes down into the solvent tank here.
Right.
You got a light? This has been on. This has been recirculating in there for what, about 10-15 minutes now?
Right. Yep.
So if you look in here, there's a coil that comes down right here, and there's alcohol, cold, denatured alcohol being pumped down through here to the coil to lower the temperature of the solvent. Just like this. So it's going down there and cooling it within the tank itself. So normally we'd have like a $5,000 minimum.
Yeah.
Polyscience 15-liter chiller.
15-liter -40. And so what our temp gun's reading out on the side of this bucket here.
And even those expensive chillers they work great, right, but they don't get just nasty cold like the dry ice and alcohol. Right. So
the only thing you got to be careful is the pumps are plastic, so you got to be careful. You don't want to get dry ice in the alcohol where the pump is, so that's why you put the dry ice around it.
So this acts as like a little buffer to keep it only pumping alcohol or cold alcohol instead of the
mixture of alcohol and dry ice.
Sometimes that would ruin the pump coming up in here. So it's a pretty cool, affordable way to get your solvent down to the temperatures that you want.
We're about there on the.
If you can't, if you can get started with something like this,
right,
like that'll help you out. Anyway, just a quick little thing I want to show the guys are working on here. So yeah, obviously the big benefit here is, instead of spending thousands of dollars on a chiller, you can accomplish the same goal with, at $100 pump.
A bucket.
And bin, some dry ice, some denatured alcohol.
Maybe a cooler. So maybe $150.
Something with a little insulation. What's up, Larry? So yeah, this is about a maybe $200 tops solution to when if you're just getting started out. It'll save you
about $4,800.
Save you like several $1,000s. Cool.